In a world where our oceans face severe threats from overfishing, habitat loss, and climate change, making sustainable aquafood is more essential than ever. By choosing sustainably sourced aquafood, we support responsible industry practices that help to protect marine habitats and reduce the environmental impact for ourselves and future generations.
For ecological reasons, we need to keep oceans sustainable, so we keep both populations and also that we guarantee food source for our generations and the future ones.
VeriFish addresses the need for clear, reliable information on aquafood sustainability. Its framework simplifies complex choices by providing indicators on origin, environmental impact, and health, drawing from trusted sources like FAO, Eurofear, and FishBase.
I think seafood is a very good alternative to meat as a protein source because it has in general, a very low carbon footprint. So also again, that is a reason why information on seafood is very relevant.
The VeriFish Web App enables consumers to easily access sustainability information, including product labels and resources. VeriFish also helps producers and retailers communicate their products' sustainability, supporting informed choices that benefit both local economies and our planet.
The big challenge, how to make complex matter more simple for the consumers and the people who work with seafood. We like the challenge and we're slowly progressing with that.
Join us in promoting sustainable aquafood and make a positive impact on our oceans.